Out loud?
Yeah, if you want to.
You see, rejoice, dear hearts. U.S. on the cusp of new mental health strides. He, Vice President Joe Biden, said science is on the verge of astounding discoveries that could change how society cares for those with mental illnesses. What's that? Yeah, he would make a good spokesman. It's truly amazing that we don't know. It's truly amazing what we don't know, and it's truly amazing what we might learn. Biden said during a kickoff of the two-day forum at the Kennedy Presidential Library. Imagine when we are able to identify the biomarkers for mental illness. Biden said that ongoing research also holds promise for returning veterans struggling with post-traumatic stress. You know what that's all about. She was in the military. And as a result of President Barack Obama's health care law, he said, well, free to go? Come on. I'm free to go? I'm being detained? I'm free to go? I'm free to go?
Rejoice, dear hearts. The United States is on the cusp of new mental health strides. Vice President Joe Biden said science is on the verge of astounding discoveries that could change how society cares for those with mental illness. It's truly amazing what we don't know, and it's truly amazing what we might learn. Mr. Biden said during a kickoff of the two-day forum at the Kennedy Presidential Library. Imagine when we are able to identify the biomarkers for mental illness. Biden said that ongoing research also holds promise for returning veterans struggling with post-traumatic stress. And as a result of President Barack Hussein Obama's health care law, he said, more people have access to care for a mental illness because the law bars insurance companies from denying coverage due to pre-existing conditions like bipolar disorder. And what say you, Queen Ruby1?
Am I free to go?
About free to go, sir.
She's just showing you she's on the page. Pretty much. As long as she can't see who's talking to her, she'll respond.
Am I being detained, sir? That's what I want to know.
Am I free to go?
Am I free to go? Am I being detained? By what authority are you detaining me, officer? You say you've got paperwork on me. What kind? My medication? Well, certainly I've taken my medication. Are you taking yours? Good deal. We're all medicated. What was that you said?
Am Am I being detained?
Yes, you're being detained.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go. You're being detained.
Do you suspect me of having committed a crime?
I do. Always. You mean you haven't?
Am I free to go?
Can you think of any good reason why you should be free?
Am I being detained?
Well, yes, you're being detained. Of course you're being detained.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Am I free to go? Am I being detained? Am I free to go? Am I free to go? Yeah, can literally get her going.
It'll work better next time. You'll see.
Yeah, we'll get it.
It's a new thing. Let's sit down and watch what we got, and then I'll get out of your hair.